Hey, so if you want to create clean, professional business documents without using complicated software, yeah, Canva Docs is a great option. You can write, design, and collaborate all in one place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Canva Docs for business documents, step by step. So let's get started. First, go to Canva and open Docs. You can start with a blank document or choose a business template to save time. Now, browse templates for things like reports, proposals, or plans. Yeah, templates give you a professional structure right away. Next, start adding your content. Use clear headings, sections, and paragraphs to keep everything organized and easy to read. Now, customize your document with your brand like fonts, colors, and logos. Keeping it consistent makes your document look more professional. To make your document more engaging, add visuals like charts, icons, or images. Just keep it clean and not too crowded. If you need help writing, you can use Magic Write to generate ideas or sections. It's especially useful for reports or summaries. You can also collaborate with your team in real time. Just click Share, invite others, and work together on the same document. Before finishing, review your document carefully. Check formatting, spelling, and overall layout. Finally, export your document as a PDF or share it directly with clients or team members. So yeah, that's how you use Canva Docs for business documents. Keep things simple, structured, and on brand, and you'll get professional results every time. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.